It was the night before Christmas. I was closing down for business in my little present shop, when the bell on the door jingled once more, and then time almost came to a stop. But somehow I knew, and maybe so did you, that everything would change from now on. Yes, from this Christmas on, this Christmas on.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelles Glam Home. Well, today guys, I'm excited to share a glam Christmas haul shopping at Tkmaxx Australia. I hope you enjoy. Guys, you know I'm absolutely obsessed about shopping at Tkmaxx. There were so many adorable finds this day, and I thought I'd share them with you. I always get so excited when I find different items, guys, and the first item that I absolutely fell in love with was this Glam silver wreath. Its delicate icicle stems just drew me in, guys. It was $49.95 and I haven't found the perfect spot yet, but I'm planning on putting this in my kitchen. I love everything sparkly and glam, and this wreath had that written all over it. My next item was this adorable Bless This House cushion. I love that it was gold and silver, and it had a style to it that I could keep out all year round. It was $29.95. The next item I picked up is a dish towel, guys. I'm a little addicted to dish towels, especially for each season. And I absolutely loved this black and gold Merry Christmas 2-pack. Now there's 2 dish towels here, guys, and I love the delicate touches at the end with the pom-poms. These were $9.95 for the set of 2.
Special guy. He's a dreamboat of a man.
Now guys, you know that I am obsessed with leopard print at the moment, so you can imagine my delight when I discovered this leopard print stocking. Now guys, I don't own a cat, but you know I'm a very big dog lover. Now my plan is, even though it has this cute little kitten face, I'm going to flip it over and I'm going to put some glitter letters across the front to spell out my dog's name, Bella. It was $14.95. Because I I love to do DIYs, I absolutely love when Tkmaxx bring out their wired ribbon, especially at Christmas time. And I was so excited to find a leopard print one as well. On a 9-metre spool, and they are $8.95 each, and I love their wired, guys. I also got them in the buffalo check because I really love buffalo check at the moment as well. Girl Shell just couldn't walk away from another cushion, and this beautiful red piece cushion I fell in love with as well. I'm really drawn to a lot of red this year as well, guys, so when I seen this cushion I knew it'd be perfect and I had the perfect spot for it. Believe how quickly Christmas is coming around, guys. I love walking through Tkmaxx. I don't have a store nearby. I'm a 3-hour drive from my nearest store. So when I get the chance to go and have a look at one, I am enthralled at all their beautiful decor. Last Tkmaxx finds really made my glam heart so happy, guys. Look at these amazing glam Christmas trees. As soon as I seen them, I instantly fell in love. Now, from memory, the larger one was $34.95 and the smaller one was just $19.95. Absolutely love the details in these beautiful trees, especially the larger one with that ombre effect between gold and silver. The delicate touches on this tree make it sparkle and glam, especially at night time. Items, guys, are not from Tkmaxx. There's a store here in Australia called Hobart Anya, and it is a home decor store that also has amazing pieces. I've been on the hunt, guys, for a beautiful crown, and as soon as I walked in and spotted this one, I knew it had to come home with me. I love the delicate diamante pieces around this beautiful crown. Now, this is actually a Christmas tree topper, but I plan on using this all round. I love the combination of the gold and sparkly silver, and I love styling it with my coffee table books. items, guys, are from Big W Australia. I absolutely love the artist who's called Megan Heiss. She's an Australian artist, guys, and if you're not already following her on Instagram, please go do so. She's just released her beautiful new book. I have quite the collection of her books, and they are the most stunning coffee table books, guys. This book was just $19. I also picked up this rustic reindeer. I thought he was just adorable. And from memory, guys, I'm pretty sure he was $9.95. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you've enjoyed seeing what I picked up from Tkmaxx Australia. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and share this video, because I'll be back real soon with more DIY projects, inspirational ideas and room tours here at Chelles Glam Home.